As you all know, I absolutely love this blueprint, and it's Monday morning, so I just want to share some wins over the weekend with you from within our community, just so you see this is working on a daily basis for several people, not just me. Congratulations, Victoria, 2,703 days. Now, Victoria's 2 weeks in, and she has spent time previously in the MLM world. Never did she see any payments this big, so congratulations. Congratulations, Vasti, making your first sale yesterday. Huge congrats. It's a great feeling. Mimi broke 10K today within 2 months of starting the blueprint. Huge congratulations. It's fantastic. And Abby, I'm so chuffed for you. 6,900 in 4 weeks, guys. I mean, seriously, you've got to start this. If you've been on the fence, this is proof that you need, surely. Another one here for Layla. Congratulations. First $600 sale while she was on a live with a friend, Jenna. And I just want to share this one with you guys because Mary is a book publisher. So she's used the blueprint to basically take her business to another level. Okay, so it's just an example that you can take the education from the blueprint and just use that within any business module, okay, to promote whatever you want. You do not have to, if you don't want, promote the blueprint itself. I mean, you can, why wouldn't you? Because it's proven to work. And that's where I am in my business. I'm promoting the 4 digital products because they are proven to work. But you don't have to, okay? You can use the education to promote whatever you want. And that's exactly what Mary's been doing. And here's another one for myself, guys. This has come in overnight. I'm on holiday, as you all know. And this happened whilst I was asleep last night. I've never engaged with this person. This person has obviously just been watching my content and took action. So that's what you've got to do. You've got to be an action taker. If you're coachable and you can spend 2 hours a day building your business, this can happen for you whilst you're asleep. So if you want to learn more about this blueprint, drop a 1 below. Absolutely love to share it with you, and I'll send you the details. I'll see you soon.